Hi friends, in this video I explain about mental health inventory, how to write in the record. Mental health inventory, after you answer this questionnaire contains 60 questions. You already know that 60 questions. After answering the 60 question, you put is the yes or no is in the answer sheet. After putting the yes or no, you are scoring by using this norm 1, 5, 7 like this. These norms is indicate that these numbers are positive responses. If your answer for first question yes, you put is 1 mark. If your answer in the fifth question your answer is yes, it will be a 1 mark. Okay, like that you answer it. If you answer 1 is yes, you put 1 mark. Your answer in fifth question yes, it will be 1 mark. If your answer is no, it will be 0. Like that you scoring these questions. Remaining missing numbers of these numbers is the negative responses. Example 1 and 5 is there, 2, 3, 4 are the negative responses. So if in the second question your answer is no, it will be 1 mark. If your answer is yes, it will be 0. In third question your answer is no, it will be 1. If your answer is 0, it will be 0. If you are in the fourth question, it is the negative questions. So if your answer is no, it's a 1 mark. If your answer is 0, it's a 0 mark. Okay, yes, it is a 0 mark. Like that, if 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9 is a positive response. If your answer is yes, you put a 1 mark. If your answer is no, it will be a 0 mark. Like that, you are scoring all these questions. After scoring, you add this number. If it is 1, if it is 0, if it is 1, 0, like that. You add all these numbers, and finally you get scoring 48, 50. Like that, you get the answers. It is compared with another norms given in the scoring key. It is indicate that 30 to 60 if your score is, it is the high mental health. If your is 0 to 29, it will be a low mental health. After you finding out this, how to write in the record, I will explain. In the record, it is the format. You write experiment number 1 and date. Experimenter means yourself is the experimenter. If I am taking this inventory, I am the experimenter. So subject is I given to the another one person and fill up the questionnaires. That is the subject. After fill up this page, you turn into the next page. Next page will be like this. In this column, you write it, your subject. In this case, my subject is 28 years old. DT. How DT is my client name is D. Dhanam. So it will be DT, initial and first letter. Okay, like that you put it that. D is 28 years old female. Completed. What is this completion and worked or not working? Like that you write it. This is the format of fill up the subject. Next you turn. In this page you left as a blank. Okay. Then next turn the next page. In the next page, result. Whenever the result is there, in this right side, you put this tabular column, first tabular column. Behind the result, you put the second tabular column. You reminder that always. In right side of this, you put the tabular column for the subjective data. In this table 1 showing the subjective data in mental health inventory, score mental health status. In my subject score is 50 and it is indicates the high level. Okay. Then it's finished. After that, important part of this record writing is discussion. While discussion, you should remember that what is the asked in this inventory. In each inventory, the experiment ask the discussion part, answer these questions like that. Example, in the mental health inventory, discussion part mentions the score of the subject. Mention the score of the subject and the mental health status. Compare the subject score with group and explain how the subject differs from the group. All the data you should fill in the discussion part. While write the discussion, it is a 3-part. First is the mental health definition of the mental health status. Each inventory, what is the definition and some important point. You write it. After in discussion part, there only a 2 para. Always remember that only a 2 para. In first para, I said that it contains 3 parts. What is it? First is the introduction part. Next is the aim of the experiment is to assess the mental health status of the individual. In your experimental book, it is given is problem. Okay, in exam purpose, this is the problem asked for your experiment. Okay, then after aim, next you put the from the table 1, it is inferred that you answer these questions. What is the question? Mention the score of the subject. My subject score is 50, so mention this. The subject score is 50 with the high level of mental health status. Group score. They asked in these questions group score and compare it. Okay. My group score is 47. My subject score is higher than the group score. Write it. This is the first part of the discussion. Next, it is the subjective data. Next, you discuss the group data. In group data, already the questions are highest and lowest score in the group, and how many is high, how many is low, and women and men, and mention the group score of the health status. All of the questions asked in this text. Okay, you answer it. From the table 2, it is inverted. Who is the highest? In my data, the PVL is highest. So I mention here PVL is highest 52 and the AK score 35 is the lowest. In my data, 35 is the lowest. So I mention here in the 35 is the lowest. In group, there are the 10 members. All the 10 members have high level of the mental health status. Women's score is 44. Men's score is 50. Women's score is lower than the men's score. Just to mention this here in the discussion. After that, group score is 47 with a high level of mental health status. This is also asked in the discussion part. Mention the score of the group and the mental health status. Okay, this is enough for the discussion. In discussion part, there are the 2 parts. First one, in first part, you write the introduction, aim and table 1 in 1 para. Don't split write. In 1 para, you cover all the things. Then second para, compare the group data. Then fifth one is conclusion. In conclusion, in the books it's given, don't put underline and dot like this. You write simply the mental health state of the subject is high. You write it as a high. That is enough. Mental health status woman is high and that of the man is high. Mental health status of the group is high. Individual differ in their mental health status. In the each conclusion part, it is given. It is the trademark of this. Okay. In reference, while you are writing the reference, you write as it is as in the book. Capital letter, full stop, comma, numbers, first one capital letter, next one small letter, like this. All this you follow the as it is as and write it here in the reference. After reference it will be finished. This is how to write this experiment. Hope you understand that. Any doubt please ask in the comment box. I will answer it. Okay, thank you. I met with another experiment. Bye.